his eye. Nuts and bolts in the late night sky. Tinker's paradise built in the shed. Grease Monkey keeps the gears in his head.
Hey guys, Grease Monkey 34 here, coming to you another video. So today we're working on some wood stuff. We're going to be working on this hammock support I'm working on out of some 4x6 beams, all recovered. They got some like metal bracing gotta take off. There's some nails, yeah, but they are in good shape. So this is like the shape I was looking for, something like this. I think I'm going to go the simple notch way. Is just line them up perfect, trim the edges off, and then notch them halfway in and bolt them together with two big leg bolts with a couple screws on each end. I'm thinking 30-degree angle. That what this is right now is a good angle. That will leave almost 12 feet from that end to this end, and that should be enough for a hammock. And then we got this extra little bit here. This is a little more rougher board. I'm thinking I'm going to use for the bottom. Cut it in half. Cut some notches out of it to make it look pretty, and then bolt it in the bottom to add like support to keep it upright. Okay guys, got the first cut done. It's a 30-degree angle. Notch out of this beam, so it's half the beam. So just some simple tools, circle saw, a grinder to smooth out the edges, because we're going to put some glue on this to make sure it never comes apart, and some just also in tool to clean up the edges, or they cut a little bit deeper what the circle saw can't get to. And I do have a sawzall as well. The tape measure, pencil, square, and yeah, to define the edges. But yeah, she fits together pretty nice. Let's see if I can get this one-handed, but these beams are pretty heavy. She fits together pretty nice. Oops. There. Fits together pretty nice. So now I gotta make the same cut, but in reverse on this piece to match it up, and then we just put two big leg bolts with a couple screws to hold it together, and with some glue, and it'll never come apart, I think. Okay guys, got the second one cut, same angle. So now we can work on the big piece here. We gotta make the same cut but in reverse. So we're gonna have one this way and one that way. So all we can do is lay them down just like this. Trace a line around where it needs to be, and then you mostly to cut it out the same way. I'll show you, notch it out. Got this one too. Just notch it out, and then yeah. Hey dog. Hey dog. You good dog? Yeah, you help her. Yeah. Okay guys, got them cut. Some pieces there, and some of this here, so it fits together nice, perfect. I'm gonna set it on the ground, line it up good, line these up, and drill two big half-inch holes for some threaded rod, and bolted it together with some glue and some more acrylic screws. Okay guys, got it laid out here. Pretty big. So yeah, got these cuts all lined up. So I'm gonna get some wood glue, shove them in there, put some screws in, and then drill some holes and get some bolts in there. Okay guys, just got it up. I put 4 screws in it so far. Just hold it together in the glue. And then we're gonna drill 2 holes and bolt it with some half-inch threaded rod, and then we're gonna cut it with the grinder. But yeah, I got some exit like an 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch overhanging, so I need to take the angle grinder and make it smooth. But yeah. Okay guys, just cut them and I put some nuts on them, so running all the way through. Gotta tighten them up. Okay guys, got the other side bolted up nice and tight. The glue is going to set and I'm going to make it even stronger. And I added 4 more screws on the other side, so 8 screws, 2 bolts, glue. So those joints are going to be nice and strong. So now I'm just going to wait for the glue to dry and pretty up the edges, sand it. And yeah, maybe get the whole thing of sand. And we got to make out of this piece, cut it in half and make some 2 legs coming out. Something like this, and I'll put 1 big bolt through and a couple screws. Yeah, to support it. But yeah, it turned out good. Okay guys, been drying off for a while, a couple hours, and then I made 2 of these. They're about 2 feet long out of the other piece, and I cut some 2 3/4 deep grooves with the table saw. So I'm going to take the awesomeing tool, cut them out, so they're nice grooves, and then we're going to slide them in. Going to slide them in this way, so the nice fits in there, nice wedge, and then make some cuts in here and make it a little more like neater. Okay guys, just made these. Got them all done, sanded them. So now, yeah, they fit on there nice, the 2 of them. I'm gonna figure out where I want them and screw them in. But before I do that, I want to sand some of this. Wherever I put it, I want to sand it. So, yeah. Okay guys, just got it all sanded with the grinder. And it looking good. You don't know what I want to do at the ends yet. I'm thinking I'm just going to sand them for now. I don't want them a cone or anything. Because I want the stud to go about right here, about eye hook. Because we're going to be screwing, 1 eye hook on both sides. Somewhere like about 1 inch down from the top. But yeah, it turned out good. I got to screw the legs on still. Or the mountain feet, whatever. But yeah, that's the way it's going to look. I might burn this in the future with like a bow torch or something to bring out the color and then put like a stain on it. But it's mostly up to you, whatever you want to use. So yeah. Okay guys, just installed the hooks. And I got the bottom pieces screwed up on from underneath, so they're like 8 screws. So I think that's strong enough. But yeah, it's up to you if you want to like stain it or burn it with wood and then put stain. But yeah, definitely turned out good. I got the hammock out, so we're gonna hook it up on and see how it looks. Okay guys, just put the hammock on. She fits nice. I can tighten and loosen it by the rope, but she's up there and she fits good. I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit more. It's sagging just a little bit, and it will sag over time. The hammock always do. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this little video. Not too long, but it's a nice relaxing bit. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.